Hello, good evening. I had ordered some stuff from Thrive Market. They've got groceries and other things. So this is what I've got in today. I got 12 rolls of toilet paper, and I got a pack of chocolate chip cookies. Got some ketchup, mustard, and I got some salsa. And I got some strawberry jet spread. And I got some peanut butter and roasted garlic sauce. Okay. And I've got a pack of peanut butter cups here. Now, you can order this. You get so much off. You can order one time, or you can order monthly. I've got it set to come in every month. So all of this just cost me a little over $58. And if you order more than $50 worth, your shipping is free. So I had 52, I think. So this is what I got today. You can also advertise this, and if somebody orders from you and sets up an auto ship, you will get $40, I think. I'll put that in the description and tag you. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much, and have a blessed weekend.